Which way should we go?
That way.
This way, okay.
Wait, no, this way.
Yeah, this is a dead end. Oh look, there's a bit here. Should we go through it? I can't get through. Where are we going?
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, it's all wet and overgrown.
There's a way here. I'm going my own way because no one's following me. I'm so good at this. Imagine if this is a dead end. It's not. I told you I'm good at this. It is a dead end. So I came all this way for nothing, so I guess I'm not very good at this. Let's go this way. Can't go this way. Guess I'll have to go this way. Oh look, there's a way here. This way. Yeah, amazing! I'm just going my own way because I've no idea where the exit is. It's coming. I'm trying to run away from her. What are you doing? Trying to run away from you. I don't care. I've just been taking my own path. That's fine. Run. This way. So we just found a dead end.
I don't know where Daddy is.
Should we brave it? Let's go round.
Carefully go over it. I'm scared. It's fine, you won't slip. I did it. I just did it.
Well, I've got white Crocs on. Someone's found it. I'm looking. It's on this way.
Follow the sound of my voice.
Wait for us.
Okay, someone's found it, so I'm looking as hard as I can.
The whole maze is like a big T shape. I saw you, Blue. Where are you?
Okay, I have no idea where I'm going right now. This is so confusing. I'm not going in circles. I'm just listening to their voices because I want to be able to get to the end. Someone's screaming, help me.
Look, ready, Ro? Look.
So I found it. Oh no, I found it. But now we need to look for the exit, don't we? I mean, where we came from. Run this way. Bella. Yeah. No, don't cut through there. Let's go this way. Dead end. Oh, this way. I have no idea where we're going.
Gonna get down the slide?
All for a can at the moment.
The middle's over there. Tim's good at
I think we're going the right way.
Daddy's gone. He's gone out of here, Bella.
What?
Yeah, Daddy's gone.
Yay, we found a way out. That was a bit strange. The man said it was shaped like a P, like the maze. But I'm following my sister into this park now. So let's go. Oh, it's nice.
Hi, Bella. It's not that cool in there, though.
Oh. But I still want to see it. Wow, that's pretty cool. Right. Slippy. Yeah. Whoa, this is cool.
No, it's not.
It's abandoned. I'm just as tall enough to fit in this. But I'm just short enough. Let me check my shoes aren't dirty. Ah. Hi, Tilly! Yay! Oh, we're going on these tyre things.
Oh, that wasn't even a park, Bella.
Yes, it is. It's so fun. Whoa! There's a little girl in front of me. I'm gonna go on the train. That's messed up. I'm saying, Tilly, what you're doing, by the way. Whoa! Let's crawl through here. Whoa! That was pretty weird. You just had to go through a tunnel. Now we're going to like this block. Should we sit on that chair, Maisie? Okay, so we've got some water. It's cool. Oh, this is so nice. You have to scooch it along. Whoa, that nearly got my foot. That's so sad. There's a bucket. I need some more water. No, don't tip it yet.
Better just get some water from over there.